Hi, this is Ben with Property Care Systems, and in this video we're going to talk about the types of problems and issues we've seen with concrete pavers. So, pavers are awesome. We install lots of them, but there are some issues that can be had. Right here, this is a manufacturing defect, problem in the casting process. These pavers were less than 3 months old, and the chips weren't there when we installed them, and they showed up soon after. So they got cut out and new ones replaced. Not too big of a deal. The other kinds of problems that we've seen are staining and water issues, efflorescence. So you see in the back of this picture the rust stain from ironing that water. In this picture, the whitish sections. So right here's when it was looking good, but there's a ton of groundwater here, and these pavers also got sealed, and so efflorescence got trapped in between the paver and the sealer, making it look all chalky. You can see it here again. Really, the moisture underneath the pavers, even though we had a bunch of road base and everything, caused major issues. Even with the sand, it was bubbly and sticky. Now this is some pavers that have sunken just off the internet. So that's caused by a problem with the soil and the aggregates installed or not installed underneath the pavers. Also could be caused by squirrels and stuff. Grass grows in pavers or weeds when there's not adequate road base and not polymeric sand. This is a horizontal shift, and that would happen when could be like at the beginning of a driveway where you turn in and it pushes them sideways, but basically the edges aren't being restrained properly. The structural problems can all be accounted for by doing the construction process properly, which boils down to the ground prep. The other issues, like the problems with moisture and efflorescence, generally that's caused or exaggerated by concrete sealers. And then the manufacturing defects, that's the one thing that we just can't control for. All we can do is, help make it right in the end. One of the best parts about having pavers instead of concrete is we just have more options down the road to fix issues. And that's why I personally would recommend pavers over concrete most of the time.